So we're going to create a washer on a already meshed hole. I'm going to measure this hole quick so we get an idea of what kind of size we're dealing with. So we have a diameter of 2 and about approximately 1 for the element size. We're going to use the rebuild tool. So in the mesh panel, or in the mesh ribbon, we'll go to rebuild. We'll open up the advanced options. We want to first make sure that our element criteria size is the correct element size, so 1. My rule of thumb is maximum size should be double your target element size, and then minimum should be 10% of maximum. And that's all you need to change. Everything else is kind of independent of the actual size. It's more to do with a ratio or an angle. We can save this if needed as a your own criteria file, and then we go and change the parameter file. So criteria file is going to handle element quality. Parameter file is going to handle the remesh algorithm type. So element type, element order, and then special features and how you want to handle them. So we'll go to holes. We want to do 2D hole recognition and circle. And this row is going to be have a number of different columns in it. So the first column is going to be anything less than the radius. So if I hover over it, maximum radius of the current hole range. So our range is going to go from 0 to 2. And you can change these for individual types of holes. If you have a bigger hole that you want more elements, so you can control the number of elements. It can either be based on element density or the element average size, but greater than 4. You could have it auto, meaning it's going to use the density size, or auto even, so you'll always have an even number, or you can actually plug in a number. So I have 8. I like 8. It's pretty close to a round size without going too crazy on the element count. And then washer type. So we'll do radial. We want it to be a complete radial. And then the size of that washer, the actual length of those elements or size of those elements. So you can plug in a value. You can have it based on your average size, or you can have it times the radius, or give it a value minus that radius. So you have a couple different options. I'm going to just actually put in a number, so half, and then second layer. That's what you are very concerned about, is having that second layer. So we'll have a second layer here as well, and say OK. Then when we grab our elements and say rebuild, it's automatically going to create the washer with the correct size. So here you can see we've got 2 layers of washers, 0.5 millimeter each. We kept our number of elements around our hole, and then it's done like a little rebuild as well, 2 layers deep or 2 or 3 layers deep to get a nice transition. So that's how you can rebuild your element, your holes with washers.